Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the Max AC channel. For this month, we will be doing Juicy June, where we will be focusing on 4 different drinks that use fruit juices in their recipes. For this episode, we will be making some strawberry daiquiris. For this recipe, you will need of course a handful or 2 of frozen strawberries. You can use fresh ones, but the frozen ones may get slushier in consistency, so I recommend these. You will also need 3 tablespoons or so, or 1 shot of simple syrup. You can buy a bottle from the store, but it's really easy to make. All you need is equal parts sugar and water. Next, you will need about 3 tablespoons or a shot of lime juice, a half cup or so of ice if needed, and if you want to make your daiquiri boozy, you will also need a little bit less than a half cup or about 2 shots of white or light rum. Though, of course, you can increase or decrease this amount to your desired level of alcohol. If you do plan on using rum, I recommend putting it in the freezer to chill before making your drinks. That way, it'll keep the daiquiri nice and smooth when blending up the ingredients. Speaking of which, this amount of ingredients is good for 1 serving in a hurricane glass, which is about 20 fluid ounces. So adjust your amounts depending on how many drinks you want to make. First, we will make the simple syrup. In a saucepan, add half cup of water and half cup of sugar and keep stirring this over medium heat until the sugar dissolves completely. Let this cool to room temperature and store it in some sort of container, and your simple syrup is ready to use. See how easy that is? This amount makes 3/4 of a cup of simple syrup. Store any leftovers in the fridge and it should last for about a month. Next, we'll prepare the lime juice. Using a juicer or your hands, squeeze out enough lime juice to make the amount of strawberry daiquiri you want. 1 lime's worth of juice is about 1 shot, so plan accordingly. Then, when that's done, all that's left is to throw your strawberries, simple syrup, lime juice, ice, and white rum into a blender and, well, blend. If you're having trouble getting the mixture to blend, you can add a bit of water to help thin out the mixture a bit, making it easier to blend. Once your ingredients are fully combined, pour the liquid into a hurricane or margarita glass, or any glass that you have on hand, and your strawberry daiquiris are ready to drink. When I was younger, I always wanted to try a strawberry daiquiri every time I saw one when going to a restaurant. Of course, I never did end up getting one until I turned 21, but it's basically a strawberry lime smoothie with added rum, so what's there not to love? For how simple this recipe is, I somehow still managed to mess it up greatly when I forgot to add the simple syrup, so I had to make way more daiquiri than I intended. The sugar in the syrup definitely goes a long way of diluting the alcohol taste of the rum, so make sure not to forget it when making yours. Though, I guess if you want it to taste very boozy, then I guess don't add it. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. In the comments below, let me know how it went if you decided to make it, and let me know if there's anything you want me to make next. Like the video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to this channel for more episodes of the Max AC channel. And remember, if you want to stay cool in the kitchen, turn your AC to the max and watch the Max AC channel. And, well, blend.